the tax deduction 87% of small business owners miss. If you run a business from home, whether it's a side hustle or full-time, you're probably leaving $3,000 to $8,000 on the table every year. The home office deduction is one of the most powerful tax breaks available, but 87% of eligible people don't claim it because they're scared of an audit. I'm about to show you exactly how to take this deduction the right way and potentially save thousands on your taxes this year. The audit myth. Let's kill this myth right now. The home office deduction does not automatically trigger an audit. The IRS audits less than 1% of tax returns, and a legitimate home office deduction doesn't change those odds. What does trigger audits? Claiming 100% of your vehicle or meals. Taking deductions wildly out of proportion to your income. Those are red flags. A properly documented home office, not a problem. The IRS cares about two things. Is the space used regularly and exclusively for business? Can you prove it? If yes to both, you're golden. The two methods. Method 1. Simplified. Easy. The IRS allows $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet maximum. If your office is 200 square feet, that's 200 times $5 equals $1,000 deduction. Done. No receipts, no tracking, no calculations. Maximum deduction, $1,500. Method 2. Actual expense, bigger deduction. Calculate your actual housing expenses and deduct the business use percentage. If your home is 2,000 square feet and your office is 200 square feet, that's 10% business use. You deduct 10% of mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, utilities, and repairs. This typically saves $2,000 to $8,000 depending on your housing costs. Real example. Freelance designer, 600 square foot apartment, 100 square foot office. That's 16.67% business use. Annual rent, $18,000. Renter's insurance, $200. Internet, $720. Electric, $960. Deductible amounts. Rent at 16.67%, $3,000. Insurance at 16.67%, $33. Internet 100% business use, $720. Electric at 16.67%, $160. Total deduction, $3,913. At a 24% tax bracket, that's $939 saved every single year. What you can deduct. Direct expenses, 100% deductible. Office furniture, equipment, supplies, repairs done only in your office. Indirect expenses, deduct your business percentage, rent or mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, utilities, HOA fees, general home repairs. Cannot deduct. Landscaping unless clients visit your home, your first phone line, personal use of any space. The exclusive use rule? This trips people up. Your space must be used exclusively for business. A dedicated room or clearly separated area with a partition works. A kitchen table where you also eat dinner does not qualify. A guest bedroom that's sometimes an office does not qualify. If audited, the IRS may ask for photos. Make sure your space looks like a legitimate workspace, used only for business. Documentation you need. Keep these records. Photos of your office showing exclusive business use. Measurements of your home and office. Receipts for all deductible expenses. Utility bills, mortgage statements, or rent receipts. Store everything in one folder. Most audit problems happen because people can't prove their deduction, not because they took it. Common mistakes? Mistake 1, claiming a space you don't use exclusively. If your kids play in your office, don't claim it. Mistake 2, not keeping records. Measure your space and document it properly. Mistake 3. Claiming 100% of everything. Be honest about business use percentages. Who qualifies? You qualify if you're self-employed, you use part of your home regularly and exclusively for business, and it's your principal place of business. You do not qualify if you're a W-2 employee working from home. That changed after 2017 tax law. What to do this week? Measure your home office space. Choose the simplified or actual expense method. Gather your housing expense receipts. Take photos of your office. Talk to a CPA or use tax software to claim it on your next return. Don't leave thousands on the table because of fear. This is your money. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I drop new finance strategies every week that most creators won't tell you about. Also, visit Own Your Finance blog for more in-depth financial tips and hacks, whether it's taxes, home buying, small business strategies, debt solutions, and more. Don't forget to download my free guide, Finally Break Free from Living Paycheck to Paycheck, the simple 10-step budget that actually works, and start building real wealth today. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.